Gusto ko lang i-share yung about my devotion a while ago. While I was riding a bus also, I've read about the kings. And grabe yung faith ni David, as in, kahit na, yung leadership ni David, kahit na nagkaano yung anak niyang si Solomon, like, the Lord looks at David still. So, ganun pala, pag ikaw yung generation na faithful, yung mga next generation mo, pag gumawa sila ng something, like, the Lord will look at you as a leader. Yung generation mo yung titignan niya na, oh, I will spare some of these things, or I will give favor to you because of your father, David, or, for example, ang pangalan mo, Mike, because I will be faithful to you kahit gumawa ka ng ganito, kasi yung ginawa ng ancestor mo, yung generation mo na si Mike, alam mo yun? Or yung generation ni Lala has been so faithful to me, so I will spare you from this. Like, wow, how awesome God is. Like, He still considers us even though we fail Him. It's so amazing. Ang amazing ng love ni Lord. Grabe. Ay. Grabe, ang sarap makasama ni Lord. Pero marami pa tayong mission na gagawin, kaya yan, I'm excited.